Guys, welcome back to another Hack This Site tutorial. Today we're going to be completing basic mission 7 and 8. If you haven't already seen the rest of my videos, you may want to go back and watch over those so you can get caught up to this point. So go ahead and head on over to hackthisite.com, which is www.hackthisite.org, not .com, .org, excuse me. Go ahead and log in. Go down to the basic missions and basic missions 7. The password is hidden in an unknown file, and Sam has set up a script to display a calendar. Requires basic Unix command knowledge. Alright, so let's go ahead and head on in. This time, Network Security Sam has saved the unencrypted level 7 password in an obscurely named file saved in this very directory. In other unrelated news, Sam has set up a script that returns the output from the Unix cal command. Here's the script. Enter the year you wish to view and hit view. So let's do 2015. And it should redirect us to a new page. And it shows us the calendar for this year. Okay. So let's go ahead and pick this apart. He saved, it's another unencrypted file for this level. The name of the file is obscure, so we're not going to be able to figure it out. And it's in this directory. And he set up a Unix script that passes whatever you use to this, whatever you enter to the script. So that means we can probably use some sort of cross or XSS or SSX. I don't remember which way it goes, but anyway. So if you don't want to know, if you don't want the answer, go ahead and pause it right now because I'm about to give it to you. You use a command called ls. If you know anything about command prompt in Windows or anything about Linux, then you can probably figure this one out pretty easy. But ls basically lists the directory, and then in Unix we have to pass that to let it know that it's a command, and the -l means it's the local directory only. So control paste that in there, click view, and here's every file within this local directory. We have the cal.pl, which we're in right now, index.php, which we will get when we enter a password, level 7, and here's an extremely obscure name, so we can copy that, paste it in here, and there we have the password, unencrypted. Oops, not search Google, copy. Alright, now we can go back. Pop it in here and submit. Congrats. Now go back to basic missions and check the next one. Okay, basic age. The password is yet again hidden in an unknown file. Sam's daughter has begun learning PHP and has a small script to demonstrate her knowledge. Requirements: knowledge of SSI, dynamic HTML executed by the server rather than the browser, meaning it's a server-side language. SL is server-side language, which is why PHP is a server-side language. Okay, Sam remains confident that an obscured password file is still the best idea, but he screwed up with the calendar program. Sam has saved the unencrypted password file in var www/hackthesite.org/html/mission/basic/8. However, Sam's young daughter, Stephanie, has just learned to program PHP. She's talented for her age, but knows nothing about security. She recently learned about saving files, and she wrote a script to demonstrate her ability. So what this means is we have the server path to the file. It's located on their local disk under var www.hackthesite.org/html/missions/basic8/. Alright, so it's saved in this directory somewhere. We know that for a fact, but we don't know the password file's name, and we're probably not going to be able to guess it because it's obscured. However, just like in the last mission we just completed, there's a PHP script. So if we go in here and enter our name, submit it, it'll bring us to this page. Your file has been saved. Please click here to view. Open that new link, and it's some randomly dynamically created link in their temp directory. Hi Chris, your name contains four characters. So with that knowledge, we can use a PHP code, a cross-site scripting error, to be able to get to the file we need. And for time's sake, I went ahead and just wrote it out here. So we put that in there, submit it, and if you want to, we can go ahead and pick this over. Basically, this tells it that this is the beginning of the command and this is the end of the command, and it executes the command prompt and does an ls command. So it lists the directory and then and then this is basically telling it that it needs to go up a directory. So out of level8.php back to level 8, and then list all the directories. So click here to view the file so that we can actually see the file. And here we have the obscured text file. Copy that, paste it in here, and here we have the password. Put that in, submit it, and congrats. Now if you like these tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't understand how I got to this conclusion, or any other comments or concerns, please put them down in the comments section below, and I promise you I will get back to you on them.